I'm attorney Hamilton Rucker, a Texas attorney, and on this channel, we dive into the world of real estate, entrepreneurship, NIL sports, and legal updates. I'm here to provide news and information about topics that interest me and hopefully you too. Today's topic is HOAs in Texas and the possibility of foreclosure. If you're considering purchasing a home in Texas, it's crucial to understand the role of homeowners association or HOAs and how disputes can arise that might affect your rights as a homeowner. Every month, and usually during the last week of the month, we get calls from homeowners that their house is being foreclosed. We aren't talking about tax foreclosures. That's a different topic for another video. Right now, we are seeing 400 to 500 monthly foreclosures in Harris County, with about 40 to 60 of those foreclosures starting due to HOA fines and fees. The foreclosure auction is the first Tuesday of every month, so once a foreclosure process starts, time is of the essence. I've successfully represented clients in various HOA disputes, and we have been successful in stopping the process. Today, I'll share my insights to help you avoid common pitfalls and protect your investment. What's an HOA? An HOA is a private organization in a planned community, subdivision, or condominium that makes and enforces rules for the properties and residents. Homeowners associations are run by a board of directors. Those who purchase property within an HOA jurisdiction automatically become members. Some associations can be very restrictive about what members can do with their properties. HOAs maintain community standards, manage common areas, and ensure that the neighborhood remains desirable. However, they also have significant authority over homeowners, which can lead to disputes. The HOA board of directors or governors are groups that are elected to enforce and oversee the HOA's rules and regulations. An HOA typically describes its rules and restrictive covenants in a document called a Declaration of Covenants, Conditions, and Restrictions. These are the boss of all governing docs. Governing documents cannot overstep state laws, meaning there are some things that the HOA board cannot prohibit. For example, Chapter 202 of the Texas Property Code allows homeowners to display religious items, have standby electric generators, install solar panels, keep rain barrels, lawfully possess firearms, proudly display the Texas flag or American flag outside their home, and set up lemonade stands. Why understanding HOAs is crucial? Well, before buying a home in a community governed by an HOA, it's vital to understand their rules and the potential for disputes, as these can significantly impact your home ownership experience. One of the most common disputes involves alleged violations of HOA rules regarding landscaping requirements or property modifications like fences or the color of your house. Disagreement over HOA fees, including how they are calculated or used, can also lead to conflict. These fees are often mandatory, and failure to pay can result in fines or even legal action. What are the legal recourse options for homeowners? Well, enforcement actions where the HOA takes steps to enforce its rules can sometimes be very heavy-handed or unfair, leading to legal challenges. And then mediation is a less confrontational way to resolve those disputes, where a neutral third party helps both sides reach a compromise. In some cases, homeowners may need to file a lawsuit against the HOA to protect their rights. This can be a complex process, but it's sometimes necessary to ensure fair treatment. As mentioned earlier, Texas law provides certain protections for homeowners, which are found in the Texas Property Code, which limits the power of HOAs and ensures that homeowners have certain rights. Before the HOA forecloses, you will receive 2 official warning letters via certified mail. The first of those notifications is the notice of default and intent to accelerate. Upon receipt of this notice, you have 21 days to pay your debt. Then you receive a second notification, called a notice of acceleration, and posted for foreclosure. The HOA files the second notification on the county land records and physically posted at the local courthouse. In Texas, a homeowners association typically doesn't have to go through the courts to foreclose on your home. This non-judicial process is how the homeowners association can take your home without the approval of the court. And it's also included in those HOA documents that you received when you purchased your home. You must act fast when receiving a non-judicial foreclosure. And as you only have a limited amount of time before the property can face the actual action at the foreclosure auction. Before buying a home, carefully review those HOA governing documents, the covenants, conditions, and restrictions, so that you can understand what your responsibilities are as a homeowner. Familiarize yourself with your rights under Texas law, and don't hesitate to seek legal advice from an attorney like myself. Maintaining good communication with your HOA can also help prevent a lot of these disputes before they escalate and get out of control. Understanding HOAs and the potential for disputes is crucial when buying a home in Texas. Being proactive, knowing your rights, and seeking legal advice when necessary can save you a lot of stress and money. If you're facing an HOA dispute or you want to ensure a smooth home buying process, contact my law firm at hamiltonrucker.com or thebuyerslawyer.com. I'm here to help you navigate these challenges and protect your investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on real estate, entrepreneurship, NIL sports, and other legal issues in Texas.